Go back up there and read a book, buddy. Cars, cars, cars. Go ahead. Sit up on the couch and read it. Do you have cars, cars, cars? Okay, go sit on the couch and read it. Go sit on the couch. Go sit on the couch and read it. Hey, you're supposed to be reading books. Wipe your nose. Okay, now read books. Where's your helicopter book? Where's the helicopter book? A gaga. What's a helicopter say? Say helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter.
What is that? What is that? Oh, a cell phone? Is that cool?
What else is in the kitchen, buddy?
What else is in the kitchen?
Open and close it.
That's a spoon in the kitchen. Is that the coffee pot? Coffee pot?
Open the refrigerator. Open the fridge. It's the oven, okay.
Sweet. Everybody likes their cell phone in the oven.
Open the fridge. Open the fridge.
Where's the fridge? Open up the refrigerator.
I think there's some food in that fridge. You gonna cook us some food? Look in the fridge, there's some food in there. Look in the fridge.
Elijah, look in here.